Hello and welcome to this discussion about the blockchain and its applications in cybersecurity. The blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. It is a technology that has gained immense popularity in recent years, and its applications are far-reaching. One of the most significant applications of the blockchain in cybersecurity is the use of blockchain-based identity verification. This technology enables users to verify their identity without compromising their anonymity. This feature is particularly useful in online transactions where identity verification is essential. Another application of the blockchain in cybersecurity is the use of blockchain-based encryption. This technology enables secure communication and data transmission, particularly in the case of sensitive data such as financial information. The blockchain can also be used in supply chain management to ensure that transactions are secure and accurate. This technology enables real-time tracking of products, reducing the risk of fraud and theft. In addition, the blockchain can be used in the development of decentralized applications (dApps) for cybersecurity. dApps are applications that run on the blockchain and are designed to provide specific functions, such as voting or smart contracts. These applications are secure, transparent, and decentralized, which makes them ideal for use in cybersecurity. In conclusion, the blockchain has enormous potential in cybersecurity, and its applications are constantly evolving. It is a secure, transparent, and decentralized technology that can be used to verify identity, encrypt data, and manage supply chains. As its applications continue to grow, the blockchain is likely to become an essential tool in cybersecurity. Thank you for watching.